Hi friends, it's Miss T, and today we are going to do a science experiment about germs. You will need any kind of plate with some water on it, some soap in a container. It can be any kind of soap, and some pepper. And our pepper is going to represent the germs. So I'm going to sprinkle the pepper. I don't know how much, but just do as much as you can. And then you're going to go ahead and dip your finger in here. And as you dip it, you can notice that I get pepper on my finger. So when you press it, there's going to be pepper on your finger. And then you're going to go ahead and dip your finger in the soap. And then we're going to see what happens. So as soon as I put my finger in there, all of the germs just run away. So that is why it is so important to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. So when you put your soap on, make sure you're rubbing your hands. You go in between your fingers all around so it can kill all the germs in your hands. Did you know that nearly 80% of sicknesses that you get come from the germs on your hands? So again, it is so important to wash your hands and stay healthy, guys. We miss you. Bye.